How do you work out the volume of the resin that you need? Hey there and welcome to andysartlab. Today we're going to work out resin volume, and there's two ways that you can do that. The first way is to use a website, which you can just search in Google for resin calculator and put your width, depth, height and work out what resin volume you need to mix. An alternative, especially if you have shapes which are not standard shapes, such as things like skulls, etc., is that you can use rice to work out the volume. So rice is a cheap ingredient that you can pick up from the supermarket. It's not going to go mouldy or stale if you keep it dry and put it into an airtight container. And so I keep in my workshop a container of rice, which I use to then work out what volume I need. The process is simple as filling up the mould with the rice and then taking that rice and filling it into a measuring container so you can see how much resin you need. Thanks for joining me for today's Resin for Beginners Frequently Asked Questions video. I'm producing more of these FAQs and you can see that on my website, or alternatively check out the playlist for Resin for Beginners questions. Until next time, keep creative.